We're basically just gonna go of the top first, and then I'll say, all right, next we'll look on the bottom side of the cart, and then that's when you can like cut it off. You can stop recording. That way you can take all that stuff off, right?
All right.
So 1, 2, 3. All right, so now we're gonna look at our customizable cart for an inverted pendulum. So as you can see, here's our movable base, which we decided to go with the carbon fiber chassis. That way it's very lightweight and it allows for the servo to move the base very easily and not have to worry about some bases which are much heavier. Now as you can see this very colorful explosion of wires, of course none of this is actually plugged into anything. We want to make sure that this is not movable, and we just wanted to kind of give you an outline of where the battery pack, the Arduino, and our breadboard is going to be placed onto our chassis. So as you can see, we have a caster which just acts as our pin joint that is screwed into our chassis, and we have an aluminum beam which acts as our pendulum arm. On the top of our aluminum beam, we will put US custom coins on the top. We decided to go with coins as a mass because we kind of already know the standard mass for each coin. That way we can determine the different types of mass that we put onto our pendulum arm. Near the base of our pendulum arm, you can see we have our gyro taped on. We wanted our gyro to be taped onto near the bottom of the pendulum arm. That way there's more leeway for our wires, which are connected to our Arduino and our breadboard, and there's going to be no tension as the pendulum arm moves before the chassis and kind of after it. So this kind of leaves a free movement. Next we're going to go into the bottom of the cart.